Have you ever found yourself staring into a campfire for far longer than you intended? Or felt strangely relaxed while watching a fireplace, a candle, or even a crackling bonfire? It's a feeling almost everyone shares. But have you ever wondered why? Why do humans, unlike any other species on Earth, have such a deep emotional connection with fire? Is it simply because it keeps us warm? Or is there something much older hidden inside our minds? The story begins nearly 1 million years ago, long before cities, electricity, or even language as we know it. Our ancient ancestors discovered something extraordinary. Fire wasn't just another part of nature, it was a force they could control. At first, they probably found it after lightning strikes or wildfires, but eventually humans learned how to preserve it, transport it, and finally create it themselves. That single discovery changed the course of human history forever. Fire provided warmth during freezing nights, frightened away dangerous predators, and allowed people to survive in places that would have otherwise been impossible to live. But fire gave us something even more important than safety. It changed our bodies and our brains. Before cooking, humans spent hours chewing raw meat and tough plants. Cooking softened food, destroyed harmful bacteria, and made nutrients easier to absorb. This meant our ancestors could get far more energy from the same meal while spending less time eating. Many scientists believe this extra energy helped fuel the rapid growth of the human brain. In other words, without fire, you might not be able to think the way you do today. While darkness covered the world every evening, fire became the center of human life. Families gathered around glowing flames to eat together, share stories, teach children, and plan for the future. The first conversations, myths, songs, and perhaps even the earliest religions may have been born beside a flickering fire. While predators stayed hidden in the darkness, humans sat together inside a circle of light. Over thousands of generations, our brains began to associate fire with comfort, safety, family, and belonging. That ancient emotional connection may still live inside us today.
Modern science offers another fascinating explanation. Researchers have found that watching the gentle movement of flames can reduce stress and lower heart rate. Unlike flashing screens or fast-moving images, fire moves in slow, unpredictable patterns that naturally capture our attention without overwhelming our minds. Psychologists sometimes describe this as soft fascination, a state where the brain stays engaged while also feeling relaxed. It's one reason why fireplaces, candles, and campfires often make people feel peaceful after a stressful day. There's also something mysterious about fire itself. It is alive, yet not alive. It dances, grows, changes shape, and disappears without warning. It gives life by providing warmth and cooked food, but it can also destroy forests, homes, and entire civilizations. Throughout history, humans have respected and feared fire at the same time. Almost every culture has myths, rituals, or ceremonies involving flames. Fire has symbolized knowledge, hope, purification, power, and even rebirth. It isn't just a physical phenomenon, it has become deeply woven into human imagination. Interestingly, no other animal has developed this relationship. Many animals fear fire instinctively because it represents danger. Humans fear it too, but we also admire it. We learned to control something that almost every other creature runs away from. That unique relationship became one of the greatest advantages our species ever gained. Fire allowed us to cook food, make stronger tools, survive ice ages, expand across continents, and eventually build the modern world. Even today, although we no longer rely on campfires to survive, the attraction remains. We light candles during celebrations, gather around bonfires with friends, relax beside fireplaces during winter, and even watch hours-long videos of burning logs on television. Something deep inside our ancient brains still recognizes the comforting glow that once meant survival. Every flickering flame reminds us of a time when staying close to the fire meant living to see another sunrise. So, why do humans love fire so much? The answer isn't just warmth or light. Fire helped shape our evolution, expand our intelligence, strengthen our communities, and inspire our cultures. It transformed frightened primates into the dominant species on Earth. Perhaps that's why, even after hundreds of thousands of years, we still can't help but stop and stare into the flames. Because when we look at fire, we're not just seeing burning wood, we're looking at the spark that made us human. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into human evolution and psychology, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what ancient human behavior should we explore next?